Ready for more? We're continuing with key Turkish phrases from A Knight's Tale. If you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to like. Thanks for the support. Let's get started.
Ben de hop çektim aldım. Ben de hop çektim aldım.
Means, and I quickly pulled and took it.
Ben
Means I.
de
This suffix means to or also, and it indicates that the speaker is including themselves in the action or sequence of event.
hop
This is an interjection used in Turkish to indicate a sudden or quick motion, often playful or energetic. It adds emphasis to the speed or spontaneity of the action. In the sentence, it suggests that the action of pulling and taking was done quickly or energetically.
çektim
Means I pulled.
çek
This is the root of the verb,
çekmek
which means to pull.
aldım
Means I took.
al
This is the root of the verb,
almak
which means to take.
Ben de hop çektim aldım. Ben de hop çektim aldım.
Ver yüzüğümü.
Means give me my ring.
ver
Give. Imperative form of the verb,
vermek
meaning to give.
yüzüğümü
My ring. From.
yüzük
This is the root word and means ring.
yüzüğüm
This suffix indicates possession, meaning my. In Turkish, the possessive suffix changes according to vowel harmony.
yüzüğüm
This is the accusative case suffix, indicating that the noun is the direct object of the verb. It is used when you are referring to a specific object being acted upon. The accusative suffix changes according to vowel harmony.
Ver yüzüğümü.
Ya bensem o? Ya bensem o?
Means, what if I am that person, or what if I'm the one? Yeah is an expression often used to introduce a hypothetical situation or to express concern, doubt, or a suggestion. It can be translated as what if or suppose. In the sentence, it sets up a hypothetical question, suggesting a possibility that the speaker wants the listener to consider.
ben
Means I.
bensem se
This is the conditional suffix used to indicate a hypothetical or uncertain situation. It is equivalent to if in English.
ya bensem o
Can mean he, she, it, or that, depending on the context. It refers to a specific person or thing previously mentioned or implied. In the sentence, in this context, O refers to the person or thing being discussed, implying that person or the one.
Ya bensem o? Ya bensem o? Neden olmasın? Neden olmasın?
Means, why not?
neden
Means why.
olmasın
Means shouldn't it be or why not be. It suggests that there is no reason for something not to happen.
ol
This is the root of the verb,
olmak
which means to be or to happen.
olmasın ol, ma, sın, ma, ma,
This is the negative suffix. It makes the verb negative, meaning not.
olmasın, sın, sın,
This is a suffix that can express a suggestion, possibility, or a hypothetical situation. It corresponds to should or let it in English.
Neden olmasın? Neden olmasın? Belki de benimle evlenirsin. Belki de benimle evlenirsin.
Means, maybe you will marry me.
belki, belki,
Means maybe or perhaps.
belki de, de,
This is an optional particle that adds emphasis or reinforcement to the word, giving it a slightly stronger implication. In this context, it could be understood as after all or possibly.
benimle, benimle,
Means with me.
evlenirsin, evlenirsin,
Means you will marry or you might marry.
evlen, evlen,
This is the root of the verb,
evlenmek, evlenmek,
which means to marry or to get married.
Belki de benimle evlenirsin. Belki de benimle evlenirsin. Tabii ki. Gel al. Tabii ki. Gel al.
Means, of course, come and take it.
tabii ki, tabii ki,
Means, of course, a polite and reassuring way to say yes or certainly.
gel, gel,
Come, imperative form of the verb,
gelmek, gelmek,
meaning to come.
al, al,
Take it, imperative form of the verb,
almak, almak,
meaning to take.
Tabii ki. Gel al. Tabii ki. Gel al.
Ben kimseden korkmam. Ben kimseden korkmam.
Means, I'm not afraid of anyone.
kimseden, kimseden,
Means, from anyone,
kimse, kimse,
meaning anyone or nobody with the ablative suffix.
kimseden, den, den,
Indicating separation or origin, translating as from or of.
korkmam, korkmam,
I'm not afraid. From the verb,
korkmak, korkmak,
meaning to be afraid in the negative form. Korkmam, meaning I do not fear.
Ben kimseden korkmam. Ben kimseden korkmam.
Thanks for watching. We'll continue from this part in the next episode. See you there.